So Harper Industries has been around for 20 years. We've had increased demand, but we've also had a huge cost increase. And probably the biggest thing is tariffs have actually raised our steel prices 50%. And so labor is something that we thought we'd get pretty creative on.
Sure, I can get that to you by Friday.
How am I supposed to help you if you don't know what type of truck you have?
Production is not going well. We have juice breaks, milk breaks, 4 recesses a day, and I cannot get anything out the door. I'm trying to have an open mind about it.
My job, I'm chasing little kids. But then how's that different from chasing adults?
Guess what? It is working. It is working tremendously. And efficiency is good. Looking good, guys. I'm impressed. Looks good, looks good. Clean her up. Clean it up good. They're not as expensive to pay. And guess what? They're learning life skills that will serve them for their whole life.
Come in.
You want to see me, boss?
Yep. Take a seat. You're fired. It's so hard to find good people these days.
Is the best idea that the company has come up with, that I have come up with, and I'm very proud to be a part of it.